Bolex H16 Reflex with 3 lenses. Today, I'm showing you the legendary Bolex H16 Reflex, one of the most famous 16mm film cameras ever made. This camera was trusted by filmmakers around the world for its excellent build quality and reliable performance. What makes this setup even more special is that it comes with 3 different lenses. Each lens gives a unique look, from wide landscape shots to detailed close-ups and beautiful portraits. You can quickly switch between the lenses depending on the scene you want to capture. Even after so many years, the Bolex H16 Reflex is still loved by film collectors, cinematographers, and vintage camera enthusiasts. It's not just a camera, it's a piece of cinema history that continues to inspire filmmakers today.